Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Ka umdi basnyambak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Urang Shnong ke Nongrim Hills buat Banteli El Nari hakalai poitrik leber arajar pun riu lepli Paidbah yaka Sanjivani Pharmacy keberan hak Shnong Nongrim Hills Mat Persha berke SBI ATM keberan hajan juga NEC Building Shnong Utara jong kedukan udihan pun Rangbah hakan ke pharmacy on sele bermandra ya berok kejat dawai ki bagi Paidbah ki dan kam hakan do kepor beron sai discount ru Kaba pensuk ru ki nongpang haka ba onle ru ke free home delivery hadu haki tingkong yeng rengkat ke discount. Nak bentar jing sya kedai bapaka ki Paidbah ki laban phone hau number kendai pran riu ar iwe saw nyolai saw iwe.
I have this privilege to come and inaugurate this very establishment which will cater to the need of the people of this locality, the surrounding and the city as well. And I hope that God will bless and enthusiast the establishment that people who seek medicine from this will get a good health and will prosper. And I declare this establishment open.
I have experience myself. I'm being a resident of Rangbah. Sometimes when I need medicines, whole of Rangbah I search from store to store, and I don't get medicines like particular medicine. Then I go to Rangbah, I don't get. Then I go to Police Bazaar, and sometimes I get, I don't get. It's a lot of hassle. So what I've seen is that no pharmacist is keeping all the medicine that is required. So the objective of this pharmacy to tie up with Sanjivani is to make sure that all the medicines are available. That if the customer comes, if he comes with a prescription or without a prescription, if the drugs are available, that we can, so that they don't have to move around from one place to another. And sometimes they don't get, and they don't have other option but get into the net, and they order through the internet, and the medicine come after 5 days, 7 days. But suppose if you have a need that you need an immediate medicine, so you can't wait for 7 days or 5 days, or even ordering from Guwahati, it may take 1 day. So that is the main objective of getting into Sanjivani. As most of the people must be knowing that Sanjivani is a brand. It's a well-known brand. It's a leading brand all over India. It's a chain of pharmacies. They have about 800 plus stores all over India. And they have the main hub. The company holds about 500 patent companies with them. So the supply chain is very strong. So in that case, what we can expect is that we can have all the medicines all the time in our store. So we also give medicines in discounts, whereas what we see is that we don't get medicines in discounts in most of the pharmacy stores. But here we get every purchase, every medicine is in a discount. Okay, we can't specify what is the discount, but we can say up to 20% discount. And we also do a home delivery. So all you have to do is you can just upload your prescription, or you can WhatsApp the name of the medicines, and we will immediately contact you, and we will let you know the availability of the medicines. In case if we don't have medicines there and then, but we try and make sure that by the end of the day or even the next day you will receive the medicine. But hopefully we will have all the medicines that every customer that they will require. We will be flashing out, we will have an Instagram. We would like you to follow up, which will be there in the screen, even the phone numbers, the WhatsApp number. You can send your orders, you can send the prescriptions. We will get immediately in touch with you. And remember, it's a discount with a free home delivery. So all your needs will be met in this pharmacy called Sanjivani Pharmacy, but the authorized dealer is called TS Healthcare.
Health is a very important sector in the face of our human life. We have seen that Nongrim Hills in the past, before this very establishment comes up today, we had no pharmacy in Nongrim Hills. But fortunately, we have one now here in central Nongrim Hills only, which was just opened very recently. And we are pleased also. I'm very happy to have you here, another one. As we know, by the name Sanjivani, the if not mistaken, means giving life.
Yeah.
So we hope that this very pharmacy establishment will cater really to the needy people, and especially as it is 24/7. It is very fortunate for the residents of the locality as well as the Shillong city. We don't have a pharmacy where it runs 24/7 in Shillong, and this I've not seen people taking it very seriously, because it is a much required establishment where medicine cannot be taken for granted or cannot be taken, especially in times of emergency. We have only Bethany, which runs 24/7, and that also it runs with a prescription. But in call of emergency, where you need medicine, that cannot be wait till we get a prescription. Sometimes, in case of emergency, we need to have medicine to save a life. So I hope that this will bring light not only to Nongrim Hills locality, to surrounding, as well as the city itself.
Had a long day, feeling drained? Let Hello Meghalaya lift your mood. Right there on your phone. Movies, music, infotainment, live streams, all in one place. Content you can enjoy together, laugh together, learn together, right at home with your family. Easy to access, easy to download. Register in just a few simple steps. So why wait? Download Hello Meghalaya now.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale! Gorgeous. Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है. Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? Family का सबसे youngest भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.